Introducing Lock and Release, the latest innovation from Sioux City Tarp, the leading developer of motorized tarp covering systems. The Lock and Release Hopper Door Control System alleviates the hassle of manually opening and closing hopper doors. With a powerful 100 amp motor, the hopper doors quickly open and close with just a push of a button. Each hopper door can be moved in small increments to completely control grain release. Our system works with both rack and pinion as well as strap trap doors, and the straps don't have to be removed when the Lock and Release is installed. The motor comes with a full 3-year warranty and is the same proven motor that has been used by Sioux City Tarp for years for their motorized tarp system. Each Lock and Release system comes with both a weatherproof mountable switch as well as a wireless remote control. If you have an existing electric tarp system, no problem. The Lock and Release Hopper Door Control System easily integrates into existing setups, no matter the manufacturer. Easy to install, each kit comes with all the parts you need to completely automate your grain hopper trailer, whether it's a 1- or 2-door system. Lightweight but durable, your Lock and Release mounts higher on the trailer to avoid damage when the unit is pulled through the field. And best of all, when you order your Lock and Release, you order directly from the manufacturer, which saves you money. With the Lock and Release Hopper Door Control System, you'll have years of carefree operation. For more information, visit our website, SiouxCityTarp.com, or give us a call at 888-258-6939. Lock and Release, complete control at your fingertips.